go-to destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into an exciting innovation that's turning heads in both the RV and truck enthusiast communities: the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6/AX. This beast combines the power and ruggedness of a heavy-duty truck with the comfort and convenience of a motorhome. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or venturing off the beaten path, this 6/6 motorhome promises to deliver an unmatched experience. Design and build. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6X's 9.6 is its imposing presence. Built on a reinforced Silverado HD chassis, this motorhome commands attention with its extended wheelbase, dual rear axles, and muscular design. The 6XX's configuration not only adds to its rugged appeal, but also ensures superior traction and stability on challenging terrains. The exterior boasts a blend of functionality and style, with durable composite panels, LED lighting strips, and all-terrain tires designed for off-road dominance. On the roof, solar panels provide sustainable power, while a retractable awning creates the perfect outdoor lounge space. This motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile fortress ready for adventure. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, Chevrolet has equipped this motorhome truck with a 6.6-liter Duramax V8 diesel engine, delivering a whopping 500 horsepower and 1,200 lp-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a multi-mode all-wheel drive system, the 6S6 setup ensures this vehicle can conquer steep inclines, rocky trails, and even sandy deserts with ease. A smart air suspension system allows drivers to adjust the ride height for improved ground clearance or stability, depending on the terrain. With a towing capacity of over 200 pounds, the Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6XS can easily haul additional gear, trailers, or even off-road toys like dirt bikes or ATVs. Interior comfort and features? Step inside and you'll forget you're in a rugged off-road vehicle. The interior is a blend of modern luxury and practicality. The motorhome can comfortably accommodate up to 6 people, with a spacious layout that includes a master bed, a convertible dining area, and a bunk bed system. The kitchenette features high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, microwave, and a dual-zone refrigerator. A compact yet efficient bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and vanity, making it easy to stay clean and refreshed even in the wild. For entertainment, Chevrolet has integrated a 50-inch 4K smart TV, surround sound speakers, and high-speed satellite internet. Smart home controls let you manage lighting, climate, and even the motorhome security system from your smartphone. Tech and safety. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6X6 is packed with cutting-edge technology. It features a digital cockpit with dual 12-inch displays, one for the driver and another for navigation and system controls. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADS, include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring a safe and stress-free journey. Off-road specific tech includes hill descent control, a terrain management system, and a tire pressure monitoring system for all 6 wheels. With these tools, you can tackle challenging landscapes confidently. Fuel efficiency and sustainability. Despite its size and power, the Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6S is surprisingly efficient. Thanks to the advanced diesel engine and regenerative braking system, it offers a range of over 800 miles on a single tank. The integrated solar panels and battery storage system further enhance its eco-friendly credentials, allowing extended off-grid adventures without relying on fuel. Price and availability. Chevrolet is positioning the Motorhome Truck 6XS6 as a premium offering with a starting price of $250,000. While it's not cheap, the combination of luxury, capability, and innovative design makes it a worthy investment for adventurers and families alike. Orders are already open, with deliveries expected to begin by mid-2025. Conclusion: the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6XS is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement. Whether you're exploring remote wilderness trails or setting up camp under the stars, this motorhome truck offers the perfect balance of power, comfort, and practicality. Thanks for tuning into MotorMix. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews of the latest cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible 6XS6 motorhome and whether it's on your adventure wish list. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.